And look, there's room for all 5 of you. Looks like you guys could use something to watch. Let's grab a box and whip you up a TV. First, why not have it match the couch? Next, some odds and ends to help it get good reception. I wonder if you can get streaming on this. We need to get these babies caught up. After all, they were just born and all. Just wait until they get to season 7.
Wow.
Silly Labubu, you can't draw on the wall.
No.
Besides, nothing goes with yellow. Still, let's indulge your creativity with a brand new easel. Some hot glue will keep these joints in place. Your canvas is ready, so let's make you some paints. Complete with your very own palette. Poke some holes. We'll need one for each color. Now just add all the colors you want to paint with. Of course, primary colors work best. You can make all the ones you need. Still, this Labubu is already thinking orange.
Wow.
Oh, look, he drew his favorite model. You just know that's going on the fridge. Oh, the little babies are so well behaved and quiet. A little too quiet. Let's make them a game. Fold up some paper and make a few cuts. But it's just one of many different parts. Can you already tell what we're making? It's a Labubu crane machine game. After all, what could be a better prize? Okay, babies, why don't you give it a whirl? I think it's time we gave you an allowance. Okay, step right up and win a prize. Wow, that was easy. Let's see what you got. Even Labubus can't resist the Labubu craze. Ooh, some Labubu cut the cheese. I'm sure we can craft up a solution. Let's just give this Labubu a third dimension. Give the ear a push to test things out. After all, our Labubu latrine needs a good flush. Looks like Pinky wants to break it in. Just make sure you don't break it altogether. Give it a flush and make sure it works. It does! Now you'll need some toiletries. Ugh, you're a mess. We need to fix that. This egg will help Easter come early this year. Tie a band around it. Flip the shell on its side. And soon, you'll have your very own bathtub. Add some water beads and, of course, water. Ooh, now that's what I call a bubble bath. But you're gonna need something to scrub with. Look, it's our old pal Sponge Boy Labubu Pants. Now let's help everyone see your shiny face. Ah, nice and clean. Well, at least one of you is. We're gonna need something for a quick fix. These matchboxes will really get things cooking. Add a cover and some decorations, probably ocean themed. Plus a mirror and whatever you find on a sink. Voila! Now let's clean you up. We only need a little bit of soap. Add some water. That's much better. But your teeth are a special case. But it's nothing a little brushing can't fix. It's always best to add a little extra sparkle. Guess all that cleaning made you hungry. But first, we need to get organized. We'll need something to hold food first. Still, we want to keep the theme going. Can't forget those little Labubu paws.
Cool.
Next, let's mix up some glue and coloring. Yeah, orange is kind of her thing.
Wow.
Now it's time for our secret ingredient. Make some crumbles and give them a nice soak. Use them to cover up our flat Labubu friend. This guy will make the perfect fridge. He's just so cool. Wow, must have been a speedy delivery. Our Lababies are simple folk. All they need is some simple formula. Warm milk's the all-time, all-5 favorite. Wow, the kitchen's really coming together. You know, roosters don't usually lay eggs.
Yes.
But when they do, it comes with a candy surprise. Want a spoon? Or at least a napkin? Oh, I see. You have an idea for the shell. What's in the other half? Oh, one of our Spunky friends. And more importantly, a suction cup. Next, grab some yarn and add it around the border. The interior could be a little cozier too. Add a cute little seat while we're at it. Soon, you'll all get a seat at the table. Okay, babies, put your paws up and relax. But we're not done with the surprises just yet. Let's start with a simple box. It's break time. Hold on, that's not coffee. But you know what they say about trash and treasure. These pins are just what our oven needs. Can't forget some stovetop buttons.
Cool.
Or that lovely Labubu touch. But we'll need something to cook with. Like a handy-dandy Labubu pot. Aren't you cute? But what are we gonna cook? Oh, delicious broccoli! And they look like trees! Hope these babies are hungry. Uh-oh! I think they just ruined their appetites.
Oh my God. Phew.
Calm down. Hydrate! Wait, that's it! Take that cup and add some slits all around. Open it like a flower. Now pluck some petals. Add a little bit of hot glue. And another cup. This will help clear up all this mess. Just remember to put everything where it belongs. Good idea. You don't want to touch some of these things. but it still needs a human touch. Some things are too precious to toss. Ah, the whole house looks brand new. And look, we've even got a full spread for the Lababies. Wow, this whole place looks amazing. And to think, they were born outside Labubus. But yeah, these guys are totally housebroken. That was fun, but it's time for the Lababies to say la-bye-bye. You know, it's important to multitask. That phone's insured, right? Right? You know you went too far when you hit the ocean. Even better, you've reached Spunky Land. And they even brought your phone. Aww. You okay, Pinky? I never knew Sprunkies laid eggs. Looks like the Easter Bunny's got competition.
Wow.
Aw, and look who's coming out of their shell. Happy birthday! Let's celebrate with a trip to the pool. Wait till you try the spin cycle. Uh-oh! Oh, they're all to pieces. Well, I guess we can scoop them up. Ooh, these blocks practically build themselves. Nothing beats a nice shower, except maybe a bubble bath. Now where's that loofah? Oh, here it is. Poor Alexis! Can't you hear him scream? What? Now you're washing behind your ears? It's okay. Pinky brought a glue gun. For once, it's okay to draw on the walls. Especially with all of our Spunky friends. Remember, you scratch their back, they'll scratch yours. Or something like that. What? Are you wishing really hard or something? Ooh, should have wished for more TP. Don't worry, Spunky's to the rescue. In fact, that's too much. We'll need something to hold it all. Ah, Vineria, always willing to lend a hand. Or tendril. But she prefers to be on the green side. Now why don't you relax and branch out? Good. Just veg and let her do her, well, business. Thirsty, Simon? Durple's got you covered. Of course, with juice, you only rent it. Ew, Simon, you need to work on your aim. But first, you need a full body wash. Why don't we make you your own bath? And more importantly, away from ours. Look, your old pal Simon is here to help. But did anyone else expect Aqua? Either way, we really need to wash this guy. Ah, much better. Now get out of here, you silly scamp. You think we should call a plumber? Wait a minute, is that chocolate? Hey, careful you two, you might just break it. Well, why let a good button go to waste? Now this is really the best seat in the house. Ooh, what does this button do? And this one. And this one. Uh-oh, looks like this restroom's occupied.
Hey!
Look through the keyhole. It's Pinky. And it looks like she might be a while. The Sprunkies take, but they also give. This device will help you go on the go. Either way, it's time to fill her up. That's better, but I think it's disposal time. I hope you washed your hands, Pinky. Hey, it's Doughy the Dough Man. He's going for a ride. Round and round he goes, but he's not going anywhere.
Oh no!
Poor Doughy. Well, at least he's saved by the clog. What can we do? Aha! A Durple bath bomb. Nice and foamy, and it smells like grape. Okay, now let's get Doughy out of here.
Phew.
Oh, you naughty Spunkies. You're on thin ice. Uh-oh, Doughy seems to be missing something. Don't worry, we can whip you up a new head. Take some old gum and put it to good use. Ah, now he's never looked better. Ooh, soap! Time to wash those dirty paws. Uh-oh, now that is some slippery soap. But soap can come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Here's an idea. We'll make some bars with a personal touch. Aw, all our Spunky friends have mini-me's. And they'll be even smaller after a quick wash. A snake and eggs? She ordered steak and eggs. Candy? Well, it's better than reptiles. Oh no! And she never even got to lick it.
Oops.
Don't worry, Sky's got a lollipop for you. And he'll keep it safe and sound, too. Don't worry, he doesn't have a tongue. We should get Simon a litter box. This seat is a little too big for him. Besides, he can't even reach to flush. And guess who gets stuck with cleaning duties? Come on, might as well start with the orange. Don't worry, Sky. Durple's got your back. You too, Simon. You started this mess. Simon and Ratty just want to sit back and relax. If only they picked a better place to do it.
Uh-oh.
Well, they've never been closer, I guess. Okay, Sprunkies, we're gonna need all your help. Roll it up with the power of the rainbow. Soon, you'll have cool new slime. And just look what it can do. Add to the seat. Cleanup has never been easier. Keep it close. It looks like you'll need it real soon.